Hey everyone, on today's video I'm going to show you how to online check in Japan Airlines. So first we're going to go to our browser. We're going to search in japanairlines.com. As you can see, this is their official website. We're going to go there. So once we're here, we're going to select boarding or check-in. Then as you can see, there is domestic flights or international flights. So we're going to choose either and click on online check-in. So now it's going to ask us our booking reference. So we're going to write a 6-figure digit here, or it could be an e-ticket number. Then once you're done with that, we're going to write the departure date, our family name, our given name. Then finally, we're going to write the airline code as well as the flight number. So once we click continue, it's going to direct us to the check-in page. So once we fill out those info, it's going to make us check in. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. Goodbye.